Peggy 3.
EA Sports FIFA Online. Everything you want in FIFA football is right here. All the leagues, all the clubs, even the FIFA World Cup. And best of all, it's free to play, anywhere, anytime, on any PC. It all starts with a remarkably intuitive mouse-based control system, which anyone of any ability can pick up and play. Easy to use, but a challenge to master. The FIFA World Cup is here, and FIFA Online throws you right into the action. You'll compete with the world's greatest players, earning rewards and points that you can use to build your league team. In League Mode, choose your favourite club from the world's finest leagues. Build your squad from the ground up, developing new players into a championship team. Then challenge your friends or play against the award-winning AI. Then you can grow your team to be stronger, faster and better technically. Each match earns you valuable experience points and in-game currency that you can spend to improve your team. Leap ahead of the competition, purchase upgrades, boosts and new content to build your team faster and customize your club. Best of all, you have a place to meet new friends and foes alike. New tournaments will keep you and your mates in the thick of it. And with FIFA Online's social features, you'll always be connected to an ever-changing football community. And it's free. Your club, your nation, your players. EA Sports FIFA Online. The pitch is waiting.